Hey, to set image as a watch face on the CMF Watch Pro, all you have to do is just to grab your phone and open the CMF application. So you will have to actually go into this dot, click here to see more gallery watch faces and select mine. Now from this you have to find the custom one and click to set, you have to just click here to add your photo, and you can actually take it from the photos from the album, or just take the photo right now. So let me just take the photo right now. Let's take the photo of this speaker, and now I can just click OK. And from this I can adjust this photo, the photo size, so I can zoom in, zoom out. Let's pick, for example, this part. I can click here in the right upper corner to confirm. And now, as you can see, I can change the style. So for example, I can change the color of my captions, so it will be like more visible. And I can also change position of it, like for example this one. And now all I can do is just to click to set as a current watch face. So I have to click yes. And now you will actually find this downloading process. It will take around few moments. And after this, you will get your watch face on your CMF Watch Pro. So it will take probably around 1 minute. And yeah, this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe.